This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Pages panel and scanning the thumbnails. This is where you control every page. Create or open an ind and immediately make an A master with headers, footers, and guides so you don't repeat work. Once done, add pages using the panel menu or the Create New Page button. You'll see them appended or inserted at the selected spot. Make sure to rename sections and enable facing pages if designing spreads, because that affects layout flow and pagination. Now you insert and customize pages. Use insert pages to add a specific number at a chosen location and apply different master pages when content needs unique layouts. If you need to adapt a master element, right-click and choose Override all master page items on the target page so you can edit local content. Once you've got pages in place, rearrange by dragging thumbnails, duplicate for templated sections, or delete unused pages. This maintains a tight, finish by verifying page numbering, sections, and that master items are correctly applied across the document. This prevents surprises in output. Export using File Export and choose PDF, deciding between spreads or individual pages depending on printer or digital needs. If elements shift or bleed incorrectly, undo recent overrides, reapply the proper master, and confirm margin and bleed settings. One key troubleshooting tip is to toggle preview in the Pages panel to catch hidden overrides and quickly restore consistent layout behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.